welcome back! Look at our awesome cake we have today. Isn't it so pretty? Princess dress! Yeah! Just ready for a ball. Are you excited to get started? Let's start with our normal cake and our creamy frosting. Add your next layer. And even more frosting. Wow! It's gonna look so pretty. If you love watching our special cakes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment on who your favorite Disney princess is. Add some more frosting to your creamy layer. Smooth it up the sides. You know how this goes. Make it all super smooth. Now we're gonna start up on a tiny layer. It's gonna go on top, remember? And smooth it up the sides. Make sure when you're smoothing you don't get any of the cake up too. Isn't that pink color so pretty? All right, now we're gonna start cutting. We're gonna make a crown, because every princess needs a crown. Do you love wearing crowns at home too? We're using our pizza cutter and it's super sharp. Be careful. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. Did you know you can do this at home too? You can use some Play-Doh. Just don't eat the Play-Doh, ugh. See how she's using the frosting nozzle tip to get a perfect round edge. Practice with your Play-Doh. Wow, it's really looking like a crown. Roll it, roll it, roll it. It's gonna make a long-looking rope. Now we're gonna glue some stuff on. Remember to not stick your fingers. This is gonna make a gorgeous border for our crown. Oh, it's looking so awesome! Are you so excited to see it all put together? Me too! We're gonna roll out some pink dough now. Do you have any guesses what we're making now? Our cake blanket! Yay! Remember, take this super careful. Smooth it out. Make sure all those little wrinklies get out. And use our cake irons. And trim it up with your pizza cutter. Doesn't it look so pretty? We're gonna turn this cake into a princess gown. It's gonna be so beautiful. If you like watching all these cakes, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment. Tell us whose princess dress is your all-time favorite. Now we're going to make some white dough. Can you see what's happening? We're making ruffles. You know how pretty princess gowns have lots and lots of ruffles. We're gonna add our ruffles to the bottom of the cake. It's gonna make it look like a pretty, ruffly princess dress. So beautiful. Now we're cutting circles. Watch carefully, we're folding them to make pretty dresses. Do you have pretty dresses at home you love to wear? We're going to start gluing on all the gorgeous texture. Oh, look, it looks so fluffy. Now we're going to add some pink ruffles. And pearls. How fun is this? Be super careful when you're popping them out. Now we're going to add some more glue. And put the beading up the top so it looks like the buttons. You know how fancy dresses have fancy buttons? That's what this is. So pretty. And we're adding the fancy button pearls in all of our bows. This is gonna look so pretty. Remember, if you're cutting with a sharp tool, to cut super careful. All right, now we're making our pretty white neckline. You remember Princess Aurora Sleeping Beauty's dress? Has that pretty white neckline. Lots and lots of circles. Oh, isn't this pretty? Can you see what she's doing? She's making a rose! Don't roses just smell the best? Roses are some of my favorite flowers. What's your favorite flower? Oh, and here goes the crown on top. So pretty! Aww! Remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave a comment. We're all finished! Isn't it gorgeous? Yeah! So pretty! Pretty princess dress cake! We'll see you next time!